How to mute mic on Omegle. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mute your mic on Omegle, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is Omegle. Here you can start chatting just by text or video with random people. So I'm going to begin with video. I have to agree their terms and conditions and confirm and continue. Once you have done that, probably this is going to ask you for some permissions to your camera and microphone. So if you have allowed this and you start again the video, the terms and conditions, there you're going to be able to begin your, start and video chattings. But let's pretend that I'm right now in this chat, and if I cancel my microphone, this person is going to continue with me. But if these persons go out and switch the chat, I'm not gonna be able to start again a new chat. As you can see here, because my microphone is blocked, Omegle has been cancelled me. Okay, so you must continue just with that specifically person, and obviously you can turn on your microphone again and that person is gonna be able to listen to you again. But remember, this is gonna work just with one person, not with random people at all. Okay, so this is how to mute your microphone on Omegle. Thanks for watching.